Yes, student. Now, to observe any of the content very nicely, we must have to see some numerical. So here is the numerical on Handlick's adsorption isotherm. Student, at intermediate, the range of pressure at constant temperature, at constant T, okay, we observed, that is Handlick observed what? X by M, this is what? Amount of substance absorbed is equal to what? K constant into P to power 1 upon N. Okay. Here N is more than 1 and is a positive integer. Okay. More than 1. Okay. In this equation N and K are what? Constant. X is what? Amount of adsorbate, and M is what? Amount of adsorbent. So, to check this equation, whether the N and K are constant, we can find their values. How it is? The question is, during the adsorption of acetic acid vapors, that means what? That means here it will act as adsorbate. Okay? Acetic acid vapor on the surface of 1 gram animal charcoal. This animal charcoal become what? Adsorbent. And its quantity is how many? 1 gram. The following observations were recorded where X represent mass of acetic acid. That is, this is the adsorbate. What is it? Observation 1. X gram of acetic acid means 0.726 gram of acetic acid is absorbed when the pressure is 0.576. Getting? But when the pressure is 0.210, that is pressure decreases, then the amount is 438, that is amount also decreases. Means at high pressure the amount is high, but at low pressure the amount is low. Okay, this is the observation. So we have to check this observation by getting the constant what? N and K. That is, we can obtain the constant N and K using this data. Okay. So according to Handlick adsorption isotherm, we have relationship what? Is X by M is equal to K into P to power 1 by N, or if we are taking its log, then it will become what? It will become log X by M is equal to log K plus 1 by N log what? P. Okay. Place value for observation 1. For observation what? 1. So observation 1 here log. Now X, what is the X here? 0.726 upon how many gram is there? 1 gram. So what? 1 is equal to what? Here log K plus 1 upon N. Okay, and log, in place of P we can write 0.576. Isn't it? This is equation number, that is for observation number 1. Okay. for observation what 2. We can write log. Now observation 2, the quantity of x is 0.438 divided by what 1 is equal to again log k, we have to find this one, plus 1 upon n, and in case of log p we can write what 0.210. This is observation number 2. Subtracting equation 2 by 1. Okay. Now we will get what? We will get log 0.726 divided by what? This one 0.438. Okay, is equal to, now subtracting means log k will subtract by this log k. Therefore it will be what? 1 upon n, and now we are subtracting means 0.576. Okay. 0.576, that is this one upon 0.210. Okay. When you will solve the value, this one, it will give, I am writing the direct value on solving it, 1 point, it is 657 is equal to 1 upon n, and here is the value what? Log, that is solving 576 upon 210, it gives what? Log 2.742. Okay, or we can find here 1 by n, that is this one, is equal to no, here taking log 1.657, it gives 0 value, it gives 0.219 is equal to 1 upon n, and 2.742, its value is 0.438, or we can find here n is equal to 0.438 divided by 0.219 is equal to 2. Okay, so here the value of n we get what? 2. Now to find k, you can take any observation. Okay, so we are taking observation number what? 1. So observation number 1, place the value now, x by m is equal to k, okay, into power p, into p to power 1 by n. Okay, now x by m, so 0.726, okay, divided by m is what? 1 is equal to the value of k, we have to find it, so k into power p, so into p, so you can take the pressure. Okay, the pressure is what? 0.576, and now 1 upon, in place of n you have to take what? 2. Getting? When you will solve it, it will give the value of k. Okay, you solve it completely, the value of k comes 0.956, which is almost equal to, you can say what? 1. So in this question, the constant k, it become 1 and the value of n become 2. Student, here is some difficulty in the form of what? Log. Okay, when we are solving log 0.726 upon 0.438, very first divide it. After dividing, you will get this result 1.657. and dividing 0.576 upon 210, it will be 2.742. Now what to do? You have to take the log of 1.657 using the log table. Okay, so before decimal there is one value, so 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, therefore it is 0. And for log 16 in the column 5 and every mean average 7, you will get the value what? 0.212 is equal to 1 by n, and for 2.742 you will get the value 0.438. Okay, on the basis of it you can find the value of n by dividing 0.438 and this one. So here you get the value of n, which is what? 2. Now to find the k, we have not to use the log equation, but we can simply find the equation of what? Handling absorption isotherm. X by m is equal to k into p to power 1 by n. So in place of n, place the value of 2. In place of x, we are dealing what? Observation number 1. So 0.726 upon m. M, that is what? Mass of animal charcoal. It is what? 1 gram. K into, here is the pressure. We have to write the value of pressure of observation number 1576, and then power 1 by 2. When you will solve, it will give the value K is equal to 0.956 or almost equal to what? 1.